today we are gonna be going to 小玉桂山. Good morning everyone, we are now at exit B of Kwai Hing Station and we are gonna take the bus here. We are going to take 37M and the bus fare is $4.3. We're going to Shingfeng House, Kwai Hing East. We will walk past this Chinese YMCA of Hong Kong New Territories Club, then cross over to Kwai Help Street. We have arrived at the 建造學香港建造學院. Oh, this is Hong Kong Institute of Construction. Okay, I remember what I signed up for now. This is the Safety Experience Training Center. We are going to put this helmet on, and they also provided us some lockers to put our belongings.
我哋將帶領大家由古至今見證香港建造技術嘅發展。大家準備好未？輸入航道資料，時光機準備起飛。3、2、1，出發！而家我哋就去睇睇昔日建造業嘅情況啦。昔日嘅建造業係一個人力密集、技術簡單嘅行業，加上建築方法風險比較高，工地環境惡劣，導致工地危機重重。
咧落到地盤啦，或者建造業入邊嘅工地啦，呢啲嘅 A 字梯咧，其實係唔俾用嘅喎，係啦，知唔知點解唔俾用啊？危險啦，嗱，有機會夾到啦，有機會會點啊？會跌落嚟。OK， 好啦，做實啦，準備3。
你要打橫定打直啊？
打橫。
係啊，彈落嚟㗎。好，可以落翻嚟先，係啦。OK， 知唔知發生咩事啊？吊俾大家，俾人感受下，大家真係啦，工作假設真係會發生一啲嘅意外事。好，上去啦，好快，3、2、1，放鬆得啦，放鬆得。有聽到人話媽死咗。係咪真係？我都係有聽過。好似我有聽過。好，屈起隻腳啦，準備3、2、1。
而家諗起落嚟嗰下係，我知點解，因為要打仗。幾好玩，要俾你。
都係好似拉開用嘅喎。咁啊，見到啦，有扶手 ，OK。另外啦，中間呢個位置企腳位咧就比較闊落啲嘅 ，OK。留意翻呢個較位，有個鎖嘅。咁而家鎖實咗啦。咁如果話我唔鎖，有咩情況會出現啊？分開就唔會，最主要係會喐，會拍落嚟㗎啦，成條梯。咁所以咧，係啦，我哋要前後都有個鎖鎖住，你體驗下啦。乜嘢體驗咧？就係啦，大家一人咧會拎咗呢條嘅尾繩嘅。呢條尾繩有咩作用咧？係啦，呢條尾繩咧就係上去用嗰陣時咧就體驗一下呢條雙尾繩嘅使用方法。好，我哋我哋扣呢個先。我落翻地先，落翻地先，係啦。咁啊有條綠色繩嘅拉落嚟嘅，係啦，拉落。OK， 咁啊而家可以上嚟啦。
梗係有啲撞。
好，後邊呢個咧？
但係會唔會收埋咧？
其實咧就唔好上個棚架度做嘢啦，因為始終啦冇人驗過嘅話咧，有機會有啲嘅棚架會有啲甩漏啊。咁啊入咗嚟之後啊，響俾邊個聽咧？響俾啲機手聽，響俾啲信號員聽，或者響俾其他負責吊運嘅工作團隊聽。人入咗嚟喎，咁啊點算啊？ 要8噸嘢嘅啫，都係啦，唔可以超過8噸嘅，8毫米高嘅。咁啊最主要啦係咩情況啊？睇下件嘢個底有冇攝住啲物料啦。
有冇用過滅火筒啊？有啊，咪都有啊。我哋頭先介紹最常見喺地盤用嗰個就係乾粉滅火筒啦，佢係藍色樽身嘅，當然亦都有紅色，但係點解我哋會選用藍色啊？知唔知點解？係啊，容易啲分別啊，佢就變咗個咩夠色咗啦。
So I am actually going to leave on time because I have a typing activity at South Horizon. And boom, I have arrived at South Horizon. We decided to eat in super and we just ordered our food. So we are now going to the Little Mount Johnston. So first you have to keep going along these city roads and cross the road here. Then walk past the MTR sign and cross the road here and cross the road again and go up this diagonal road. So we are now going to the Little Mount Johnston. It is currently 3:50. The sky is so blue today. We are gonna keep going. There are some stairs on the left and we will walk along this concrete road and we will keep going up. We are currently on 110 meters. Keep going up. There's a mini helicopter landing in place here. And then there's some buildings. And my boyfriend said that is one of the driving test cars. The sky is beautiful today. And now we'll leave the helicopter pavilion and keep going up these stairs. And we have arrived at the 143 meters hill. And I think I'm gonna fly my drone here. Speaking of Appalachian hills, the first mountain I thought of is Little Mount Johnston. Little Mount Johnston is easy for novices to handle, and Little Mount Johnston is nearby Mount Johnston, and this round hill is called Mount Johnston. And I actually went to Mount Johnston on 19th of November 2022. If you want to see the video, you can click the card up there. And now I will tell you why Mount Johnston is called Mount Johnston. It was named in 1841 because Britain was dissatisfied with Charles signed by Ely and the Qing Court. The Chuan-Bichao appointment was recalled to London, and Alexander Robert Johnston became chief executive of Hong Kong to February of the following year. Portugal took over, and Little Mount Johnston was named in memory of Johnston, and this name is associated with the Qing Dynasty Emperor of China. Just to clarify, it has nothing to do with the Imperial Master Johnston. And that's all the information I've got left to tell you about this Little Mount Johnston and Mount Johnston. Hope you enjoyed listening. After flying my drone at the viewing point, we will go back and pass by the pavilion and keep to our left-hand side. They've got a green streak here. There's no $3 here. Okay, we're gonna go now. My friend was saying, look at the round hill in front of us. It's so unique. And I was thinking, haha, I already saw it in my drone. And I also told her, that's actually Mount Johnston. And we have to keep going down until we reach this basketball court and keep going down the road. And walk along this pedestrian road. Then we'll walk past this Little station. Now we're gonna turn backwards and keep going. And cross over the zebra crossing and turn right. And will take us out to this Appalachian Drive. And you'll walk past Stoneyard Building. After we cross the zebra crossing, we'll actually go inside a shopping mall and through this shopping mall as well. My Insta360 has stopped working again, but we'll now go onto the bridge and down to Layton Street. And we're now inside the lift and out of it. This is the UN Pavilion, and we are going to walk past it. Through this bridge and down the road. And cross over the road here. And I just took a photo here. Then we're gonna follow the directions of these signs and go down the subway and take the lift and go down to the lower ground floor. Wow, there's a beautiful graffiti of an earth there. And we're now on Shanming Street. And from Shanming Street, we are gonna go inside the park and we are gonna go to the toilet first. So we're gonna walk along the river and there's actually a boat structure here. We saw on Google that this lighthouse is called Sun Pat Mo Yang. And we are gonna leave the lighthouse now. There's a beautiful view in front of us, and we reckon that mountain is called Mount Kelly. We are going to walk along this view, and we're gonna find the temple. These are the fishermen from the old days, and there's another one over here. There's a boat to Albany, but my friend said it's just for 50. 嗰邊係咪要行返轉頭？我哋過咗方向。This is the Hong Shing ancient temple, but we think it's closed. Oh, so this is actually being reconstructed and it will open again in October. So we're gonna walk over to Feng Zi Tap now because it is only a 6-minute walk from here and the sun is still out.
如果你俾你揀，你會揀呢啲傳統定係揀呢啲新派啊？And there's another temple here. This is called it's closed. This is called the Shan Gong Temple. It closed at 5 p.m. We have made it to the end. So this is the Feng Zi Tap. My boyfriend was actually saying he wants to go up there. So this wind tower will actually lit up at night because it uses LED lights that collects solar energy for conversion into electricity, which supplies power to brighten the LED lights. I wanted to fly my drone, but I just saw the sign. It says flying drones are not prohibited in the park. So, oh well, at least we came up here. This is the 360-degree view. So we follow Google Maps and walk to Little House Walk, and we can either go to South Horizons or Little Station, but we're gonna go to South Horizons. And we have arrived at South Horizons Station, so we're now gonna go back to where I live. So I'm probably gonna end the vlog here. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends. And I'll see you all with another hiking vlog. Bye!